Hey Joyboss, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this pool amusement right here, and basically what this is a step trash can. If you didn't see it from this brand right here, let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see this is basically what it actually looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, you guys can see how the product is all nicely wrapped. But let's take it out from the wrapper first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, you guys can see this is what it looks like inside right here. So right here, they do have the brand logo right here, and then right here is a step option. So basically, want to open up this part right here like this. So you start using the step stool option if you guys want to. But before you guys do that, you guys remove the tape right here first. Alright, so once you guys remove the tape, this is what it looks like right here. So this is basically what it actually looks like in the front. Here's what it looks like on the side. Here's what it looks like in the back. And here is the bottom part right here. So when you guys step on this part right here, it basically opens up the lid right there, if you can see. And once you guys let go, it has a slow closing lid option, which is pretty nice. But when you guys open up this part right here, this is basically what the inside looks like. So they basically have like a double barrel design in terms of trash bin inside. So when you take it out, you can see this is what it looks like inside. That'd be pretty big. And this is basically what the inside looks like right here. So when you guys view this part right here, it definitely has like a flexible material on here, which is pretty interesting. But when you guys look inside right there, there's some more stuff. So let's take it out. So right here, they provide guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to use it. And also show you guys what's included on here as well. And the inside right here, they provide guys some trash bag that you can use. So then both of these are the same thing. I'm just gonna open up one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright. So I'm gonna take one of them out and peel it right here. And you wanna peel this part as well. So you basically wanna open it up first. And the way how you guys put it back inside right here, you basically wanna put this drawstring option right here in the front. So just like this. And you guys wanna put this side right here. So once you guys set up the trash bag, this is what it looks like inside right here. And in this part right here, you basically want to have it stick out. Let me just put it back inside this bin right here first. So I'll open up the lid right here and then put it back inside. Once you guys have that set up right here, you guys want to close it back up. And once you guys close it back up, this is what it looks like in the front. So you basically want to have that part stick out right here. So that way when you guys need to take out the trash, it makes it a lot easier for you guys to take it out. So just like this. So that way you guys don't have to actually hold this part right here, which is pretty nice. And I really like the fact of how this stepping option right here is foldable. So if you guys are not using it, you guys can push it back up like this to actually save space. So once you guys are ready to start using it, just press the bottom part here and open the lid. And then see this basically what it actually looks like inside. And once you guys let go, it actually closes by itself and doesn't slam or anything, which is pretty nice. And the way how to design this trash bin right here, you can definitely use it in like your restroom, your bedroom, or even for your kitchen. And the maximum capacity on here is 15 liters. So if you guys want like a bigger one or smaller one, you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you actually need. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me just go test this out and actually show you guys how it works and what it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here with the trash can, if you can see how it actually fits here perfectly. So when you guys are ready to use it, you can basically actually open up the step option right here. Just go like this. And once you guys let go, it slowly closes up by itself, if you can see. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to use this option right here, it's really easy for you guys to take out the trash if you guys need to. So that way I don't really need to use a hand to actually touch the trash bag if you don't want to. So once you guys peel this option right here, you can basically take out the trash like that if you guys want to. But obviously my trash bag right now is not full yet. That's why it's so easy to actually pull it out. It doesn't look like there's anything inside right here. And if you guys want to make it a lot easier for you guys to actually take it out as well, you guys can probably actually hold on to this part right here when you guys actually take it out. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, so just like that, you basically want to put this part right here. And then close back up the lid. And we're ready to actually take out the trash bag. You basically want to actually hold on to this part right here and just peel it out like this. And inside right here, you can see it starts to pull in already. You can see right there. So basically, you want to just pull this part right here. And that way you guys actually lock it and seal everything inside right here. If you can see, that's what the inside looks like right there. So once you guys finish this part right here, you guys can just basically stick out like that. So that's basically how you guys use this option right here in terms of how to actually open it and how to close it. And also how to use the trash bag option as well. So if you don't put this in your bedroom right here, you definitely can. If you don't put this in your kitchen or your bathroom, you definitely can as well. Let me show you what it actually looks like. Alright, so here's another point of view of how to use the product. If you can see, we have it set up right next to our toilet. So that way, if you guys have trash in your restroom, you can definitely use it here as well. So let's say for example, I'm just flossing stuff or doing something on here, but I want to throw my trash away. I just go right here like this. And then just let go. If you see when we let go, the lid stays on top. If you guys want to close it back up, just simply just tap it a little bit to move it a little bit. and it closes back by itself, if you see. So if you guys don't want to get stuck, you probably don't want to press it too hard, or just move it a little bit away from the wall. So that should be fine. So we press it again. You can see how it closed by itself. So I guess if you guys put it too close to the wall, it bounces on the wall and it holds against the wall. But if you guys put it a little bit away from the wall, it actually has nowhere to bounce back off. So that way actually close it automatically, if you can see. Let me show you what it actually looks like if you guys want to use it in kitchen. So here's another example of what it actually looks like if you guys want to use it in kitchen. So let's say if you guys are working around here, chopping stuff or whatever, you have a trash can right here, and you can re-angle it how you guys want to, and just open it like this, and just let go. You get basically all set. And you see how it blends so well with the white wall right here. So if you guys want to put it there, or if you guys want to put it somewhere else, you can definitely use it how you guys want to. Now welcome back, guys. So now that you saw a quick test, our product definitely see that actually does work, and actually works quite well. Super easy to actually install the product and super easy to use as well. If you can see from the actual test, you can definitely use it in like your kitchen, your bedroom, or even for your restroom, just like how you guys saw in the video. And when you guys need to actually take out the trash, all you're gonna do is pull up the drawstring option and just take it out. So you don't have to actually touch the lid or anything, which is pretty nice. And like I mentioned, I really like the fact that how it actually has a stepping option on here to actually open up. And when you guys are not using it, you can definitely fold it up as well, which is pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this trash can, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a trash can that's like contact free, where you guys don't really need to touch it too often or touch it too much in terms of like taking the trash bag out or even like opening up the lid or whatever. You can definitely use your feet or use the drawstring option to actually pull it out, which is super convenient. So if you guys want a trash can that has everything that's on here that I mentioned and showed you guys, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.